Today I'm going to show you how to paint a landscape. Okay, first I will import the colors from the photos. Okay, next I will import the original photo. I want to sketch from the photo by using the gel pen. Mountains and then the fence. To do this, I get the right ratio from the photo. After you finish sketching, I'll close the layer of the original photo. And then after that, I will put the background. Okay, I just put sky color, blue color. And then the grass is a background. And then the oceans. I will put the leaves on the bushes by using foliage brush. For making the shrub, I use 3 to 4 different shades of green color. Next, I will put the color on the mountains. I will put color on the ground by using ground-based brush. And then next, I will put color on the ocean. And by using ocean brush. And I will adjust the color of the sky by making different shades of blue. And then use motion blur and adjust it. And then I will draw the cloud by using cloud brushes. And then I will adjust the shape of the mountains. I will add the textures to the mountains. Next, I will add grasses by using grass brushes. To make it, I have to make different shades of green. And then next, I will draw the bench. And then it's done.